The Japanese folding technique called shibori is pretty much a staple in my dyeing processes. I use it on a regular basis on all sorts of fabrics to create various shapes and designs. You can see some of my results here. Aside from tie-dye, it's what I do the most. So I wanted to try a particular shibori technique called Kumo, where the fabric is bound in a particular way to create a pattern. And for the dye, I'll be using turmeric, which is one of the most common things, the most common plant dyes, I should say, in use.
Spider go like that. A dinosaur.